And serious allegations against former Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot in the phone tapping case. Now, Lokesh Sharma, who was questioned in the illegal phone tapping case and was in fact also the officer on special duty of the former Chief Minister of Rajasthan, he has alleged that Ashok Gehlot had given him the audio clips of cabinet ministers and he was asked to release them to the media. He further claimed that the phones of Sachin Pilot and those close to him were tapped when it was learned that they were going to the Congress High Command over problems with the Ashok Gehlot government. And now sources close to Sachin Pilot say that all the claims against Sachin Pilot are clear now, and they've always said that there was no negotiation with the BJP and that Sachin Pilot and his camp was loyal to the Congress party. So this is a big update that is coming in as far as the illegal phone tapping case is concerned. The officer on special duty, who was Lokesh Sharma, who was the officer on special duty to former Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot, has claimed that it was Ashok Gehlot that had given him the audio clips of the cabinet ministers. Now, he has made some serious allegations against Ashok Gehlot. In fact, we're also learning that Ashok Gehlot's office has now refused to comment on the allegations that have been leveled by Lokesh Sharma. Let's listen in to what Lokesh Sharma said.
अब घटना इस तरह से थी, 16 जुलाई 2020 को मुख्यमंत्री अशोक गहलोत जी होटल फेयरमाउंट आए थे, क्योंकि उस क्राइसिस के दौरान जो विधायक इस तरफ थे उन सभी को बाड़ेबंदी के रूप में होटल फेयरमाउंट में रखा हुआ था और लगभग दोनों समय सुबह और शाम मुख्यमंत्री अशोक गहलोत वहां आते थे, बातचीत करते थे और ये उनका रूटीन था। 16 जुलाई 2020 को लगभग 3:30-4 बजे के आसपास वो होटल फेयरमाउंट से निकल गए।
So very serious allegations being leveled by Ashok Gehlot's aide against him. Now, Lokesh Sharma, who was being questioned in the illegal phone tapping case, has alleged that it was Ashok Gehlot that had given him the audio clips of the cabinet ministers, which also includes Gajendra Shekhawat, and that he was asked to release them to the media. And in fact, Lokesh Sharma has also claimed that the phones of Sachin Pilot, who was the then Deputy Chief Minister of Rajasthan, and those close to him were also tapped when it was learned that they were going to the Congress High Command over problems with Ashok Gehlot's leadership. Remember, this rebellion took place in 2020 when there was Congress government in Rajasthan. Sachin Pilot was the Deputy Chief Minister of Rajasthan. And our senior editor Pallavi Ghosh is now joining us on this story. Pallavi, some very serious allegations being leveled by Ashok Gehlot's aide Lokesh Sharma. But now we have some reaction coming in from Sachin Pilot's sources also, that they are saying that we have always said that there was no role of the BJP during the rebellion in 2020 and everything is clear now.
Well, Anjali, just to put it very quickly into context, remember when this controversy first broke out, the so-called rebellion first broke out, Ashok Gehlot used some very strong words against Sachin Pilot, and the insinuation came in was that there was a breach of party discipline, how Sachin Pilot was conniving with the BJP leaders like Gajendra Shekhawat and trying to topple his government. The result of which was that Sachin was stripped of becoming the state Congress chief as well as becoming a deputy CM. He was removed from both these posts. But Sachin Pilot kept on making the point that I have remained loyal to the party. There was no question of me ever joining the BJP. We had some concerns, and those concerns were being raised as a congressman. And in fact, even after that till now, whenever you ask Sachin Pilot this question about Ashok Gehlot, he says, you know, I will never use those words against someone which you wouldn't want it to be used against yourself. And he was clearly making a reference to Ashok Gehlot. But what has really got worse is the fact that Lokesh Sharma, who was the OSD when Ashok Gehlot was the CM, had made this allegation then, but he's made it even further now. He says that to say that the pen drive was given to the social media and he got it through the social media is incorrect. He was actually asked by the CM then at that point of time to distribute it to the media. So the allegation over here is that it was a deliberate conspiracy hatched by Ashok Gehlot to malign Sachin Pilot. Well, this is actually a big criminal conspiracy and also a big criminal act, actually, if I can may say so, Anjali, which has very important implication. Now we'll have to wait to see whether any response comes in from Mr. Gehlot himself, and when is it that Sachin Pilot is going to break his silence. But those close to him say, look, we stand vindicated. We always made this point. We were never trying to topple the government.
All right, Pallavi, thank you so much for that context. We're now being joined by News 18's Bhavani Deora on this story. Bhavani, काफी गंभीर आरोप सामने आ रहे हैं लोकेश शर्मा के तरफ से अशोक गहलोत के खिलाफ।
देखिए अंजलि, काफ़ी सीरियस मसला है और क्योंकि लोकेश शर्मा ने सिर्फ आरोप नहीं लगाए, उन्होंने 3 ऑडियो टेप जारी किए। उन ऑडियो टेप में अशोक गहलोत के साथ जो उनकी बातचीत है उस वक्त की, जब फ़ोन टैपिंग करवाई गई उस वक्त की, और उसमें वो जो बातचीत जारी की गई वही सबसे ज़्यादा अशोक गहलोत के सामने मुश्किल पैदा करने वाली है। और क्योंकि पूरा मामले में दिल्ली पुलिस की क्राइम ब्रांच जांच कर रही है और राजस्थान पुलिस पहले से इस पूरे मामले की जांच कर रही थी, तो अब ये पूरा मामला वापस ओपन हो सकता है और अशोक गहलोत के सामने मुश्किल हो सकती है। 3 मुश्किल खड़ी होगी अशोक गहलोत के सामने, क्योंकि लोकेश शर्मा ने जो ऑडियो टेप जारी की है उसमें अशोक गहलोत ये कहते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं, अगर ऑडियो टेप उनका है तो, क्योंकि इसकी भी फॉरेंसिक जाँच की मांग हो सकती है, कि उस ऑडियो टेप में ये कहा जा रहा है, अशोक गहलोत ये कह रहे हैं कि जो आपको मैंने दिया वो क्या आपने यूज़ किया, और जो जिसमें आपने लिया यानी कि लैपटॉप, वो आप हमें जमा करा दें, और जो फ़ोन यूज़ किया गया जिससे मीडिया को भेजा गया उसको नष्ट कर दें। अगर ये सारे के सारे अगर फेक नहीं है, अगर ओरिजिनल है जो लोकेश शर्मा ने जारी किए, तो जाहिर तौर पर अशोक गहलोत के सामने बड़ी मुश्किल खड़े होने वाली है। अब हालांकि अशोक गहलोत की ओर से सफाई दी जानी है कि क्या ये आवाज़ जो लोकेश शर्मा ने जो 3 ऑडियो टेप जारी किए क्या उनके हैं। नंबर 2, जो लोकेश शर्मा दावा कर रहे हैं कि उस 16 तारीख को अशोक गहलोत ने उनको बुलाया और बुलाकर उनको ये ऑडियो टेप खुद अशोक गहलोत जो टेपिंग के हैं, जिसके बारे में कहा गया है कि जिसमें सचिन पायलट और गजेंद्र सिंह की आवाज़ है, वो अशोक गहलोत ने खुद उनको दिए। तो क्या, क्योंकि ये और किसी पर आरोप नहीं है, सीएमओ के अफसरों पर आरोप नहीं है, सीधा अशोक गहलोत पर आरोप है कि उन्होंने ही एक तरह से जो टैपिंग करवाई उसके बाद में मीडिया के अंदर जारी की गई। क्योंकि कानूनन फ़ोन टैपिंग इलीगल है, तो जाहिर तौर पर अशोक गहलोत के सामने मुश्किल होगी, क्योंकि चीफ सेक्रेटरी की अगुवाई में कमेटी होती है जो डिसाइड करती है कि फ़ोन टैप करना या नहीं करना तो उसका ग्राउंड क्या।
जी भवानी, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया इन सारी जानकारी के लिए। विद दैट वी नाउ स्लिपिंग इनटू अ वेरी शॉर्ट ब्रेक, बट देयर इज मोर ऑन द अदर साइड। स्टे विद अस।